So I'll teach you more like a performance style, American rhythm. We start with American rhythm. So number one, close your feet like this, close your feet. Now this arm put here on your waist. Now tall, beautiful posture, ribcage lifted, shoulders down like this. Now we're gonna do our feet. We're gonna open our feet, then close for 8 times. Open feet, close, open, close, and now we're gonna open. So now when you dance, your feet always have to be open like this. It's called natural turnout. So when you take a step forward, you see your foot has to be open. You take a step back, foot is open, or a step to the side. So never like this, okay? Very good, so now you learn already natural turnout. Now change weight to one of the foot. Very good. Now as you change weight, I want you to have your ankles touching and feet still open. So toes open, ankle touch. You see? So here it has to touch. Now one leg straight, this leg bent and slightly curved, like this. You see how pretty already? That's already have a style. Very good. But now keep a long, tall spine. Now still, I see a little bit gap between your feet. Yeah, I want you to connect. Yes, as this keeps straight. Such a very close, yeah. So you can maybe bring your foot closer. Okay. Yes. You see, now you look pretty. Now, if you're by yourself, you can close your feet like this.
It's not easy.
It's not easy, but it's very beautiful. Right. Very good. You see? Now from here. So you already know natural turnout. You know how to close your feet. Now we're going to learn how to change body weight. So I want you to change weight from your left foot to the right. Boom. Very good. And once you change weight, I want you to create the same beautiful position. Very good. You see that? Excellent. Excellent. And now we're going to change weight again. And change weight. So now when you change weight, this is your standing leg, this is your free leg. You see now you stand on one leg. So in dancing, it's recommended to always be on one leg. You don't want to be on 2 legs. Always on one. So if you stay on this leg, it means the right foot probably you're going to start doing some movement. If not, you're going to change weight, and then another foot. Yeah, and when you change, that's what you're learning now. Your job is to close your ankles, but keep your toes apart. Have this pretty, you see pretty, not like this. Make it pretty. Now we're gonna change weight 8 times. So you go and quick, and slow, and quick, and slow. Excellent. Another thing, for you to dance very beautiful, is gonna be, change your weight. It's going to be brushing. So when you change your weight, your knees want to touch. You don't want to open. Yes, you want to brush. And brush. Excellent. And brush. And brush. And brush. Very good. That was very good. And brush. Give me hands like this so you can learn. Yeah, maybe stay like this. Over here in the middle. Yeah. Like this. Very good. Now change weight. Change weight. Yes, very good. Now see, this is connection I teach you. Or imagine I'm closing your hands and you try to open my hands. Open, like you're in the box. Open, yes, very good. Now you can feel what I do. And now change weight. And quick, and slow. Very beautiful. And keep your head more steady and still. Open my hands and go change weight. And go. And quick, and slow. Beautiful. And quick, and slow. So when you dance, you want to have this sound between your legs, when your legs brushing, more like professional. And another sound, there is 3 sounds in dancing. Number 1 sound, it's your legs. As they pass, they brush. Number 2 sound, your feet brushing to the floor. And number 3 sound, it's the music. So 3 sounds, okay? So now we have only 1 sound, because we don't have music and we're not taking steps anywhere. But your legs should brush, rather than before you were dancing a little bit open, so that it was not as beautiful. Right, so give me this hand, so let's do it again. And go, and change weight, and quick, and slow, and quick, and slow. Very good. Now, also we're going to learn same time, so you can come here. Yeah, same time, change weight. We're going to learn a little bit hip action. So as you weight on your right foot at this moment, keep your ankles together, toes apart. Now, I want you to squeeze, almost like use the pressure from the shoulder into the hip, like you're settling to the hip, and you have a hip action without bending this knee. Right. So a little bounce. So you're just like a little bit like sitting on your hip. Imagine you talk with your friend for a long time and you do this. So you release hip to the side. So you have a hip action. Now as you change, you have another hip action on the other side. Change, another hip action. Very good. Change, and now change. And yes, very good. And now when you change weight, go immediately into the hip. Quick, yes, and just change. And quick and slow, beautiful. And go change, quick and slow. So now when we're gonna dance together, we're gonna stay like this in the moment. You see our hands meet in the middle, so you always wanna have pressure with me. Press to me. Now change weight, copy me, mirror opposite. Now we're gonna change weight together. No, mirror opposite. Yeah, so if I'm on this leg, you're on this. And close your feet while you're crossing. Close. No, close your feet. Yeah, close. Just like this.
Oh, okay.
Just together, like you did before. Yes. Very good. And now connect to me here. Pressure. Yeah, push. And now we go change. And you see? Now you can feel me because we're connected. And quick, and slow. Stay connected to me. Now take your upper body to me, towards me. Like almost like you're pushing towards me. Yes, like this. This is better. So now you can feel quick, and now we do together. Quick, slow. Now the rhythm of rumba is, we're gonna learn rumba today, American style. Quick, slow, my love. So go quick and slow. So the last one a little bit longer. And yeah, you don't have to look down. Look at me and feel. Yeah, you don't have to look. Yeah, just you feel. No, you will feel. You will feel it. You will feel it. And quick and slow. Excellent. Quick and slow. Beautiful. Quick and slow. And quick and slow. Excellent. Now we're gonna learn steps with you.